I would recommend this course to people who are interested in finding out more about the chakras, to come along, because you'll certainly find out more. You will understand the different chakras, the colours, the musical notes to it, being positive, the affirmations, and it's just generally a lovely course to be on, to find out more and meet like-minded people, which I think is really important when you're interested in this kind of area of understanding, I suppose. So if you're interested in yoga and Pilates and overall health and well-being and holistic health, this is definitely a really good course to attend.